Hello friends, would you like to get some career advice from a microgreen enthusiast? A microgreen enthusiast who has been doing microgreen consciously. And this small little forest, this beautiful forest, has made me realize how we choose our careers. Like the microgreens, the seeds choose their growth and choose their life. So let me deep dive into the career consultation from a gardener. Yes, it's not just about microgreens, but you can relate it with any gardener. So there are only two types of work that people do. You either work for others or you work for yourself. When you work for yourself, it could be a business or freelancing or anything, whatever else, as a counselor or anything else. And if you choose to work for others, you can, it's basically a job, whether a government job, private job, IT job, temporary job, whatever. So broadly, these are the only two categorization. And third is live with abundance mindset. It is the way you do the work, which is the factor that mostly people miss out. So if we deep dive into work for others, we'll come to realize that it has only two ways, two very important aspects: the roots and the fruit. When you work, let's say you are working in an IT company, right? I have seen many professionals who keep cribbing about salary increment and uh, this and that. There is too much of this, too much of that, and just they are not happy. While some of professionals are doing it quite well, they are living their life, they are enjoying as well as uh, they are progressive, right? So why does that happen? So the answer lies in the roots. Now there are two types of roots. Either you grow good roots, healthy roots, or bad roots. What do you mean by good roots is, do you have the expertise in your domain knowledge? Do you believe, are you competitive? Are you competitive in a healthy way to take learn new things and work? Keep on working on yourself. Are you a fast learner? Are you able to quickly learn new things and progress? Are you able to communicate with your team and management and around you, people around you? Communication is a very important aspect. Are you having a good network? Even in IT companies and in other companies, you need a very good network, right? So these are the good roots. If you have these, if you develop these factors in a healthy way, you would be happy, quite happy. If What about bad roots? So bad roots are like if you are having a mindset of leg pulling others, gossiping around about others, what others are doing. If you are doing playing favoritism of your favorite subordinate, your favorite team member, and etc. If you are playing politics, these are the bad roots. If you grow them, you it will grow a bad root for you. Now I'll come to fruits. The fruits are two types: healthy fruit or rotten fruit. Healthy fruits you would be getting only if you are having good roots. If you are having a bad root, you will be having a rotten fruit. So, what do you mean by healthy fruit? Healthy fruit means you will have a progressive career, you will have a happy relation within your team as well as your family. You will have challenges, of course, there would be challenges, but which you can face in three ways. You have to keep progressing. I mean, if there is a new technology, you have to keep changing yourself. You have to keep yourself motivating yourself in the progress. You have to keep yourself moving, learning new things, progress. Keep yourself updated, latest uh, technology wise, process wise, and you have to have a mindset of how you can help the company grow, right? And there are two options again. You can either, if Yeah, so on the, with the motivation of progress, you can choose to work on yourself, and you can keep on improving in your current position, or you can choose for something like higher education, MBA and stuff, MBA and tech. Again, you will be working for others, and the cycle will continue. Or you can be a next version, learn new things, new challenges, new technology, and etc. And again, you will be working for others, and the cycle will continue. Or right, or you can have upgrade your mindset, your abundance mindset, right? That will cover later. If you are having a rotten fruit due to bad roots, now you are not happy. What is the result of your mindset will be? You will be happy. You will not. You will resist change. You will resist yourself to upgrade yourself, learn new things, take challenges, be the leader. You will be afraid. You will be jealous. You will have no goals. You will live a fearful life. You will just expect but not deliver. Challenges. You will need help. Yeah, you can uh, take refuge in external stimulants like alcohol, etc. Life will be of something of regret. You won't feel happy, fulfilled. Okay. Uh, Other option is you can choose to work for yourself. I mean, you will think, okay, I mean, maybe this job thing is wrong, and you might choose to work for yourself and be independent, do a business or something. That is one thing, one way to do it. Or you can upgrade yourself with a abundant mindset, build the right roots, healthy roots. Okay, you can work on yourself to build good roots, so that you can get healthy fruits. So if you change the roots, you will get a healthy fruit, right? Or you can take help if you are not happy with the current situation, right? You have to make better choices so that it can give you good roots, and get to the cycle will continue. If you again take wrong choices, nothing will change. The cycle just continues. So, what about you choose to work on yourself, for yourself, like a business or something? In that case, again, you will have two options. It will depend on good routes or bad routes. So, with a good route, you will have to be expertise in your domain. You have to be independent or self-motivated. You have to be answerable and responsible to yourself. And you have to value time. It's not an easy work. It's not an easy thing to do something of your own, right? And although it's very enjoyable, I mean, gives you something new to do in every day, right? Or and in the other case, if you have bad roots, it means you are just blindly copying others, or you are pulling others. You have no values. You have no value system. You don't believe in. You are believing in competition. I mean, unhealthy competition, unhealthy competition. So that is again is not going to give you good fruit. Now, the result of working on yourself will be it will create a brand for you, as a lifetime of money, independent life, time freedom. You will be believe in collaboration. You would be happy with your success, as well as you will be happy with others' success. And challenges would be, yeah. Again, you are trading time for money, and you are living. You have to live in a competitive environment. There are Even if you work for yourself, you have to compete with other companies. You would feel a lack of fulfillment still, and the answer is you have to work in abundance mindset. If you have the rotten fruit, you have to depend on others, right? You will keep changing projects, projects to project. You would be having an unhappy life. You'd be scary of competitors. You'd be jealous of others' work, and you might seek help. Now, if you might get help, or you can seek help. If you make again a bad choice, it will again grow bad roots, and the cycle will continue. if you make a right choice with having good root, yeah. So finally, we are going to cover how to live with an abundant mindset and what are the benefits. So if we are having roots of abundance, it will give you a slightly different mindset. You will have to work on a mindset to think differently, change your choices, and which will help you to grow good roots, the root of abundance, and that will be by that what I mean is it will be reflected by your actions and by your thought process, where wherein you will not be in any hurry. You will feel like an unlimited potential. You will not be thinking anything about competition. You will be happy with others' success. You will be consistent, responsible, you will live with love and gratitude. And the fruits that it will help you grow is you will that enough there is enough for everyone. You will appreciate others' success and you will just live with love and gratitude, and anything will be possible. Whatever you want will be possible. Thanks. So that's all, my friends. I hope you like this video, and if you please like and subscribe this video, and help us to pass on this knowledge of growing microgreens consciously, growing greens, vegetables, whatever you want, grow consciously and help nature as well as live a life, change your mindset to abundance. So the world will become more beautiful and awesome. That's all.